Indefinite pronouns are pronouns that do not indicate definitely the persons or things meant. Some indefinite pronouns are each, all, several, many, some. Example: there are many needles here. Some are gone. The pronoun some is used instead of the noun needles. Some does not specify particular persons or things, so it is an indefinite pronoun. Some indefinite pronouns are compounds of the words one, body, or thing. Example: anyone, everyone, someone. Anybody, everybody, somebody, nobody. Anything, everything, something, nothing. Note: no one is two separate words, so it is not considered a compound indefinite pronoun. And finally, some indefinite pronouns may be considered as pronoun phrases. Example: each other, one another.